how do we make yogurt from scratch? Ano-ano yung mga kailangan natin? Okay? First and foremost, you need a yogurt starter. Greek yogurt starter. Balikan ko to. You need a stirrer. Okay? You need a yogurt maker. And you need a full cream milk. Okay, so, okay lang yung full cream milk, may mga certain brands na pwede tayong gamitin. Okay, yogurt starter. Ang marirecommend ko is yogurt starter from Atis PH because they have guaranteed me, nakausap ko sila, and also makita nyo rin po sa description that these are sugar-free. Okay? So, yogurt starter para ito yung bacteria, yung lactobacillus na mga kailangan natin para ma-ferment yung ating milk. Alright? So, it comes with an instruction manual or sheet, no? Dito sa instruction sheet, tinuturo lang sa atin how to use this yogurt starter without a yogurt maker, which nagawa ko na rin dati. Okay, but ito na, hindi ko na kukwento to, you can follow these steps. At proven naman na gumagana to, even without this. Pero pag tsatsagaan mo, kailangan mo sundin ito step by step. Now, shortcut and mas mabilis for me, mas practical for me, is to use a yogurt maker. Explain ko later. So, eto, si Atis PH, kakabili ko lang, kakadeliver lang sa akin, expiry date 2027, at kung di mo pa gagamitin, keep frozen. Okay? Kasi may live bacteria dito. So, eto yung nabili natin at around 250 pesos sa Orange app. Okay? And marami nagtataka, yun lang ba, coach, ang laman? Yes, yun lang ang laman. Okay? So, i-boost lang natin ito. Okay? Para makita ninyo, yan na yung yogurt starter natin. Powdered form. Alright? Yan yung laman nito. Okay, bakit? Coach, parang ang konti lang. Alright. Ito yung mother yogurt. From this mother yogurt, pwede pang manganak yan at mag-ferment at kumuha at gumawa ng iba't iba pa more liters of yogurt. Okay? So, ngayon, dahil gagawin ko to, ito yung first, ito yung mother yogurt natin, binuhos natin siya sa ating yogurt maker. Why a yogurt maker? Ang yogurt maker kasi is, okay, electric form siya, which uniform yung heat niya to ferment your milk. Hindi mo na to bubuksan, titingnan, mainit, malamig, kasi once na sinaksak mo to, automatic na mag-ferment na siya 8 to 10 hours. Alright? So, nandito na yung ating yogurt starter. Ang milk na gamit-gamit ko is this full cream Jersey. You can also use, ang mga proven na nagamit ko na is Anchor. Okay? Full cream milk and UHT milk. Basta ultra-heated milk. UHT. Okay. Full cream milk UHT process. So, heated na rin siya. Not sterilized, ha? So, meron kasi hindi gumagana with our yogurt starter. So, basically, maglagay muna tayo ng konti. Okay? And make sure muna na itong konti na to, totally di-dissolve muna natin yung yogurt starter natin. Dissolve lang natin siya. Yan. Pag fully dissolved na siya, tsaka mo na ibuhos yung iyong milk. Actually, hindi mo mauubos tong buong 1 liter na to. Okay? So, i-ferment natin siya mga 10 hours. So, kailangan i-record mo siya na nakasaksak to ha, kasi stable yung heat niya for the yogurt. Hindi pwedeng malamig, hindi rin pwedeng sobrang mainit, papatayin yung bacteria, hindi mag-ferment to, hindi to magiging yogurt. Okay? So, basically, almost 1 liter, pero hindi mo na pwedeng punuin, may laman pa po ito. No? So, ito 1 liter, pero may laman pa siya. So, totally mix, dissolve lang natin. Alright? So, pag na-dissolve na natin ito, okay, that's the time, magka-count ka na ng 10 hours kapag ito ay na-heat na natin. So, syempre, pag nakasaksak na, iilaw po ito. So, ito po yung sinasabi ko na, ito yung mother yogurt natin. Pag ito naging yogurt na, kukuha ka ng 1/4 cup, and then i-heat mo ulit dito with another set of milk. Okay, so sa susunod na series na lang natin. But then, marami po, normally mga 6 to 7 liters pa ang kayang gawin ng ating mother yogurt. Alright, so there you have it. You can make your own low-carb, sugar-free, DIY Greek yogurt. Basta authentic na yung yogurt starter na gamit natin ay totoong Greek yogurt starter. That's it. Enjoy!